Hi everyone, happy Tuesday and welcome to my channel. This is me again, Abby. So for today's video guys, this is just a very short video. I just wanted to update you on what's happening to me because I've been busy for a while. Medyo hindi ako nakapag-upload talaga ng video because I've been so busy. So for today's video, I just wanted to share with you that I've colored my hair. So eto na nga, I've actually decided to color my hair. I've been planning to do it for a while, kaso hindi ko nga, I don't have the confidence to do it myself. So today, with the help of my brother, he just got home from work and sabi ko, so after an hour, I have to wash my hair and see how it looks. Okay, see ya. So eto na siya, eto na yung result. Golden hair. So ayan, actually it's supposed to be like a brownish color, pero naging golden hair nga ako. I'm not 100% satisfied with it, but I don't blame the brand nor the color because I know that it depends on the current situation or yung current yung existing color of my hair. And syempre masyado na tong hindi na. Kasi sobrang dami ng beses that I've colored my hair. And the last time that I have it treated talaga na bonggang treatment was 3 months ago pa. At hindi ko rin siya sinusuklay-suklay. So kaya naging sobra siyang dry. So ayan, hopefully, I'm gonna upload another video. Because I will try a purple toner or a purple conditioner. I ordered already a purple toner and a purple conditioner and see how it will change the shade of this hair. Hopefully mag-tone down kasi sobra siyang golden. Ayan, pero so far, satisfied naman ako dun sa product, sa brand because it's a local brand. And I never ever felt itchiness nor, di ba usually makati-kati itchy siya and medyo mahapti-hapti siya pag nagpapakolor tayo. Well, I'm not sure kasi hindi pa naman ako nakapagpakolor ng sobrang mga mamahali na salon. Usually yung mga salon lang naman na pinapakoloran ko is just yung mga saktuhan lang naman yung mga presyuhan. So, I don't know, I haven't tried the very expensive salons. Maybe wala dong itchiness na mararamdaman. Pero most that I've tried, kasi actually lahat naman, lagi talagang may itchiness and medyo mahapdi-hapdi na siya before pa mag 30 minutes siya. Pero this one, I've actually waited for like over an hour and walang itchiness, walang hapdi-hapdi and also good thumbs up sa brand, sa local brand na to. Pero yun lang, hindi lang talaga na-achieve yung color ng hair ko. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you again for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you have any suggestions on what treatment I should do with this, please comment down below. And hopefully the color will tone down because I really don't want to go out with this golden hair. Pero it's okay actually. Pero yun lang. Thank you so much again guys. Thank you for joining me and you take care.